Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang yung energy update for February 16 to 28, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, Aries, let's see what's coming to you. Feb 16 to 28, 2025 for Aries. Friendship. O baka meron kayong bagong kaibigan na makikilala. Oo. Someone who will be there for you, or yung iba naman maaring ngayong second half ng February you will focus on your friendship with someone, yung mga very close to you. Pwedeng meron kayong event together, or yung iba meron kayong mga projects together. Let's see what else. You have confidence. So, this is your strength. Lakas ng loob. Some of you, maaring merong nabago sa inyo in a good way. Tapos yung pagbabago na yun yung nag-boost ng confidence ninyo. And I think you are more outgoing ngayon. Mas lumalabas ka, mas confident ka na humarap sa mas maraming tao. You have psychic protection. Ako, Aries. Siyempre, lalo na kung kayo yung tipong maraming laging nakakasalamuhang tao, no? So, you have to protect your energies. Kasi minsan, yung iba unintentional, nakakapagbigay ng nega energies around us. So, kapag uuwi ka ng bahay, try mong mag-cleanse, no? Mag-salt bath or any ways to cleanse your energy. And of course, prayers. Okay, your overall energy is the Empress. Wow. Ang ganda ng energy ninyo. This is about abundance, someone who is nagge-generate ng income, ng prosperity. This is also tapping into your instinct, no? Yung instinct mo pagdating sa pagpili ng opportunity sa buhay mo, kung saan mas sa tingin mo magbo-boom. Kumbaga, you have an eye for success, parang ganyan. This is also practicing self-love, self-care. So, mas bibigyan mo rin ng atensyon ng iyong sarili. Pag-aalaga sa sarili mo. And then your challenge is the Six of Wands. As a challenge, pwedeng meron ditong bigla na lang naging successful or bigla na lang naging popular. Oo. Yung tipong you are gaining a lot of attention, tapos somehow na-overwhelm ka sa attention na natatanggap mo. At hindi ka, yung kumbaga medyo you might feel stressed, or parang feeling mo, dapat hindi ko ginawa yun. Kasi, alam mo yun, like, let's say for example, meron kang create na video sa social media, tapos nag-viral. So, you're gaining a lot of attention, and sometimes, hindi siya nagbibigay ng peace of mind sa'yo, no? So, pag ganito, kailangan lang na i-appreciate mo. I-appreciate na minsan you want minsan isang araw na nag-wish ka na maging successful, 'di ba? And now here it is. So make the most out of it, kasi minsan dumadaan lang 'yan sa buhay natin. So take this opportunity kasi it's your time to shine, Aries. Okay? Your opportunity, the Seven of Cups. Yes, ang daming offer sa'yo. Offer for collaboration, offer for love, offer for projects. Pero hindi lahat yan makakabuti para sa'yo, or hindi lahat yan magiging successful for you. That is why you have to tap into your intuition, kung saan sa tingin mo ay in alignment yung energy mo, kung nasan yung interest mo. Kasi minsan kahit na halimbawa, merong who wants will offer you for collaboration pero parang willing to pay no a certain amount of money. As example, content creator ka. Tapos hindi mo gusto yung product. So syempre, kung hindi nag-a-align sa values mo, sa morals mo, then wag mong tanggapin, 'di ba? Kung saan ka lang nakaka-resonate, kung saan lang in alignment sa iyong values. And then your blessing. Wow, you have the sun. This is clarity. This is happy times. So, as a blessing para sa inyo, may good news na parating. Oo. In what area of life tong good news na to? Fifth house. Okay. For some of you, pwedeng good news pagdating sa ka-date, relationship. Pwede rin good news sa mga creative projects ninyo. And yung iba, okay, yung iba rito, Aries, pwedeng merong baby na parating. So, may pregnancy kasi may empress din dito. Tapos, the sun is energy ng child. Tapos, fifth house pa yan, which is about children. Of course, if you want to have children, then, kung gusto mo mabuntis, push. Go for it. Pero, if not, be careful kasi pwedeng yan ay surprise sa'yo. Let's see, energy ng inyong money, career, finances. You have the King of Wands. You're going to be very busy ngayong second half ng February. Maraming travel opportunities for you. You have also have the Queen of Wands. Wow. Okay. So, maaring meron kang ka-partner dito na can be business partner or someone na very supportive sa career mo, sa business mo, na laging nandyan for you. Also have the Six of Swords. Oh, okay. Some of you, meron kayong aasikasuhin sa malayong lugar. So, pwedeng asikaso kayo ng papers, requirements, or may mga errands kayo na gagawin para sa career nyo, sa business ninyo. Transformation. Merong change. Change is coming for a brand new you. Embrace the transformation to enjoy the process. So, may nagbabago sa career, sa business, sa finances ninyo. And this is for the good, no? For the better. You have assets. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong investments na papasukin na kung saan mas lalago yung inyong finances, mag-grow yung finances ninyo. Someone is also willing to help you, to mentor you, to teach you kung paano yun gagawin. So, be open for that collaboration. And then, sa love life, you have the Star. You have the Three of Wands. Ay, may nakakamiss. Namimiss kayo. Oo. It's either ikaw namimiss ka or ikaw namimiss mo. Tapos, willing na mag-meet kayo. Oo. Magkita kayo. Or baka yung iba sa inyo magkikita na kayo ng person mo, lalo na kung kayo nasa long distance relationship. May red flags. Okay. Lalo na if this person is ka-LDR mo, tapos hindi mo pa siya nakikita ever. So, pay attention sa red flags ng person na to. Lalo na kung ang habol talaga naman agad-agad ang habol magkaroon ng kineme root. 'Di ba? Gusto agad maging intimate lalo na kung hindi pa naman kayo super close or hindi pa kayo matagal. But of course, that is your own decision. Malaki ka na. Alam mo na yung ginagawa mo, 'di ba? Merong Mercury in Libra in the 7th house, influence. I think there is someone in your life right now, very close sa'yo, na nag-i-influence sa'yo sa mga actions mo, sa mga decision mo. So, just make sure, whoever this person is, na alam mo rin yung repercussions, no? Alam mo rin yung magiging epekto nun. Kasi may tendency rin to na yung parang medyo radical mag-isip. Oo. Yung kanyang pagbibigay ng advice sa'yo. And if you're single or connecting with someone, merong masayang date or event with your special person. Oo nga, no? Kasi magba-Valentine's Day. 'Di ba? What has no bearing on what will be. What does your ideal life look and feel like? Yes, so I think ngayon, you will focus on doon sa bagay na gusto mong mangyari para sa sarili mo. At hindi mo bibigyan ng atensyon yung mga hindi nag-a-align sa goals mo. Example, gusto mong yumaman, o di syempre, magsisipag ka. Kasi kung wala kang gagawin, nakatunganga ka lang, hindi yun in alignment sa goals mo, 'di ba? So, you will focus on the activities, the actions, the mindset na mag-a-align sa goals mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.